It's so good.
Can I tell you something?
Mm.
But it's top secret, okay? So if I tell you, you can't tell Grandpa.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Promise? Give me a pinky. You ready to hear it? Katie's gonna have a baby. She's growing a baby in her belly.
Grandpa is gonna see the video of that. Grandpa can hear you on that.
You can't hear me right now. I haven't posted this.
Don't post it to him or he'll see it.
I won't. I gotta tell him first. Guess whose baby it is? Oh my gosh.
Yours.
Yep.
That's what I said a long time ago. And I heard you have a baby.
What?
You're having a baby?
I'm gonna have a baby. And you're gonna have a cousin.
When?
7 months.
7 months?
Mhm.
Ooh.
Christmas time.
But it's Christmas?
Yeah.